Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of that line right there. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 490 was broken. The price not only did it hold above that area, it just continued to separate to the upside. So 490, one of the newest areas of support to keep an eye on. The other area, which I would call the ideal level, when we say, hey, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be $5.10, meaning if the price can stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength. With that being said, though, if the price falls below 510, I'm not saying that implies that somehow the chart is now totally destroyed or anything like that. I'm just saying that, yeah, preferably speaking, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would be a great sign of strength. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, as I talked about on Friday, but that's where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So the easiest way to just gauge the overall health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just continue to watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Once again, staying above 510, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the party finally stopped this afternoon right up there at 525. So going into Tuesday, 525 will be that key area of resistance. So we'll see what happens with this one. The week is young, still 4 days left, but overall, a great way to start off the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.